Achie bia wa mai mayama munyina mu achie ema mu atena sibie ma haya Sompa 93.1 Kumase brekwa na woti yenka ewo sunyane Sompa 98.9 ensama wudo ya edi fumpa ekwo twikwa brema mai munyina no ena yaboaboa no kase ebokwan so anope wo hene yire maame ekua yaboa esia mama tena semede ma no begu ho ase wede ama on kai se ene eye obeni ma chebo so mene de to so nan ewo mfimpi mienu ene aduonu miensa emu ene ensama wudo ya de bane doso ne modedi motintiman no ene se na do danko akufo ado wakasa se enwomesua de ba wona na aban no wonom ebo wonom ho emoden sa so ena ye hwe mapanyanim se Nyankopon ya adomu a eda wukuada obepie mu ewo mrahye bedwam na omeye bobre eho ensem no watimi ede atodwam nsem eya ade a wobetie wate kokwoso asantemero 247 abebio wano so akasa ede afa wodo ene kroye ya wono so anase timemfo ya wono muslimi somni mu no wono ede ma wonom na yede ani kiremu ewo ochirikromu a abeto dwa se galamse site bi enkofo bi atwitwa wo bi ya sabre ya yakase se wawo se wotiasio yankase amane boni kofi sentrene wade mu SM ebeba bedayen ebusu ensemi ni ahoflopi ye ka ho ene na no pe ye de baba so na yaka se Facebook no ye twa live ho kwa wachi ye wo ho eya Sompa 93.1 anasa Sompa TV Ghana YouTube no so eya Sompa TV www.sompaonline.com ensem ni nyina ya cheche ne kufunti kwa ho a na wakọ sanim na so atimi etie bi ewo ho midi ede ohene yira fe ye ntwa ye homla na ensem no ne bobro don twa nyina na busia ye sane sanemo enfamamo
ya boy ya back Sompa
Yesha sana se edi afre nwomesua mu na do danko akufo do mapanyin wakasa de nsama tudwa ena wo che se wo baye wone na aban no ma ye bia bo se be ya nwomesua ebe sore ejina ne naso pintin na ama empuntu nam so abente no wo munyina eye won ma fam de na wo kazi tudua se wo fantu no hokura ne JHS for ya na se yo mutwo mu BC so hwe no be se empema henum ena sabre won ma nya kwan a wonum ewramensem nyina wo de tudwa wa bra no mo ya basobode adwumadie bi ewo enkrapompuni mantem.
It is with considerable pleasure that I come here this morning to salute the boys and girls who excel in the 2021 and 2021-2022 Basic Education Certificate Examination. Out of the hundreds of thousands of other students who sat the examination, 72 awardees were judged to be the best. And it is only fitting and proper that the nation recognizes their efforts. They made their parents, schools, and the entire nation proud. All of us are indeed extremely proud of your exploits. I like to interact with brilliant and talented people like you, because I have the assurance and hope that the future of this country is in safe hands. Inevitably, the leadership of this country will be in your hands one day. It is a heavy responsibility. You'll be part of the story of whether this country will still remain somewhat dependent on foreign assistance, or it will be a self-reliant nation, largely mobilizing its own resources to take care of its needs. I urge you to allow your current successes to get to your head, because this is only the beginning. Continue to work hard in order to maintain your standards. Know that you can go as far as you want by remaining diligent, hardworking, and holding on to a strong moral base. Honesty and integrity are important values in any worthwhile existence. Fellow Ghanaians, my government places and will continue to place great importance on access to quality education for all of Ghana's children. Just as I told our award winners from previous years, today's youth running barefoot to school could be a future leader of business, industry, the arts, or government. Education is the equalizer of opportunity. I'm in this position as President of the Republic because of education. Education is the most effective way to change the fortunes of our country and continent and join the group of developed nations and continents. I can assure you today that my government will continue to take your education and the educations of millions of Ghanaian children seriously. We will continue to invest heavily in education and thereby help secure our country's future.
Mapanyin na do danko akufodo na yetene kana ne nyina mu na 2022 presidential BC awards ye kwaso e won krampopo ni matemu na mapanyin ko gina ase de nsem wese nyina tudwa na enye ono ko na ko yesanso ode hye nko anantenete no na enwomesuafo enwomesuafo ya wono so eda no Dr. Yaw Osei Educhimo no so wase Wano so ese kakra no chese free SHS ya buy no edeba ye no etimi abo papa fisa wo hwa e free pimie no eni dunsumo ya buy no e pass adwumade we se no e hyase no na enkwada ya omwura mu no eye empem no adwotwe ahas na se 830,000 ai eno omwura mu na so no ebreya ye kase mo manya kwan no eye 500,000 ya wo kyerem away eye ade a eso ani
2017, there were 830,000 students enrolled in our high schools across the country. This year, we've had a record placement of over 500,000 students. See, the 830 was for 3 years. This year alone, 500,000 have found schools, and we are waiting anxiously for them to enroll in our various high schools across the country. That tells you something about what is taking place in this country. Mr. President, your vision is seeing fruition, and these young men and women have found themselves in our various high schools, technical schools, and they are studying. Their brains and talents are going to be used for the benefit of this nation, so that this nation can live through to its motto of freedom and justice. It cannot be freedom when the young men and women don't have the opportunity to receive quality education, to empower themselves and to better the laws of their families and of their nation. There cannot be no justice in this country when those who are deprived don't have the opportunity for upward mobility. So the vision of this president, Mr. President, your vision, has been to ensure that this nation will live true to its motto of freedom and justice.
Na chese Dr. Osei Yaw Educhimo womesuasoafo ena wono so ede ensem wese nyina etudwa no yeramu ewon nsem foforo mu nyankopɔ edodom ye na bone bia ankan ya da wokua da di yanim ya match boso me da toso nwotwe mapanyi na da kwakufu ado wokopie mra hyebedwo mai pobre ene ye tebia sabre ewom no wode ne nyina ekotudwa na eno enenam so ama efutu abato pesua so mra hyebedwani brekwa na wode wani kyeremu ewo mra hyebedwam dom dodo na wono ene ye wono ba no dani abedi e kyere ye Alexander Fenyo Makin wono so asra empanyimfo ye mra hyebedwafo no se acha no kuno abapa ho simedunum adopa no obia aye krado afi wasade adesre bi ma mra hyebedwafo no se wono mo hwe won pesua sofo a wo pese wo behwe eye dwumadie no bi no wo mu nyina ema wo mu ntenafie na ye TV wono ntimi tenase ana se ekyire na wo mu enhwe bi ewo ho.
A message on the state of the nation. This will be in accordance with the imperatives of Article 67 of the Constitution. And the Speaker, pursuant to our own practice as a House, we urge members to get into the chamber by 9:15 a.m. so that, Mr. Speaker, members will be seated at the time that Mr. President will be here to present the statements. We urge members to do everything possible to comply with it so that we don't break protocol. Mr. Speaker, again, we know that constituents may be eager to witness an event like this, and members may be compelled to make arrangements for them to enter the public gallery. The business committee strongly advise against this and would encourage members to urge their constituents to watch the event on television.
For your Fenyo Makin swano and a yet dom dodo ebano deni abedi tre and our day and same way saying na etsuja na nini hemono a state of the nation address and yamiya dumwa eda ukuya da baso ewo mrahebedwam ye boram ewo nsefo from enuada na nya asem keto wa asante mantem kropo kumasem ha nyani ebehwe asanwase na chese na nanu modlamifo wonu masrachi kese ya na wonu epa no enam so ema titu na twotwo wododo na edwo mu ani kiremu ewo asante mantem kropo kumasia na no ena krowra otumfo se to ababi otekwaso wonu edi na nimonyam ekote akire na numu ena wo chese eba na nanu modlamifo dia wonfa wonum eni agro yekọ na otumfo ne nsem okan ye no yenkonko tie bi
System no na zongo a very Roman here so honu mo a zom so hoso so zom na se be na zom system enti no mo masa sasa Sister yes, I do. Oh, sister, I don't want to come in now. Sing a song on what? Sister, so the as is European
Abusiafo wote kwakwaso otekra rete brawe uma so 242 abebieu nyamkese na yekọ ekotie no na dwumadie na se no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Alhaj ya wono mampanya bedi echi ono so bebi na wono so ba ye nam ne nsaso na maslachi kese we se ne empagya babu no etimi aba eno nti wono so ebo asumdua baso na ni nyina mu ne yasekrama be frapota na chitese enipa na afa no de na kwesi wonte no wose Christopher ene na nanu Muslimifo ntem no asumdue ya eda ho e wa asante mantem asene pono ene eye Ghana ha se no nyina no esombo ya wonwaho a enya baabi ana wokọ a ubenya ne saa
Idanyankopon ase sede ene yaba na se ye bebie saa masalachi meda otumfo say to the second otikoko so asipa e masalachi na onfa ne numa nyama mbeta yichi ampa meko meishia na medemas this idea kwatu ne nim o say we dia sa masalachi dia me masalachi yaminshirawo ne da say sede otumfo kaaye no ono abehwe debia ofaha enti yembo modern na yenhwe masalachi so yem maintain masalachi no Ghana hadie nyame achen
Sompa FM
wo asumdwe wo Ghana ha unim se Christopher ha Kramosofo ha basede yetino unim se yetna ne asumdwe nkwa wo Ghana enyesa wo mind bebreo enyesa Ghana hadie nyame di adiachen nti yende nyame ase ubehwe na Muslimifo ne Christopher yetna boko yetna se boko ubehu na church wo ha ubeha na mosque so ewo ha sana Ghana etie last few weeks chief imam oko I think Konongo eko the aso aba from say omo besi masalachi but why na AC masalachi no eya Kristo ni na osi masalachi no amaye sane Ghana tie Christopher ne Muslimifo ye bako enti nyame nhyira Ghana nyame nhyira Ghana meda mo nyinaa ase nyame nhyira mo nyinaa nyame mma kuma baako.
Dr. Mahmoud Baomiama penya be de kire ena enrada wono so de ensem wese nyina etsu dwanom afeye boye ni enkom ewo ochirikrom ekro baako ye no so ewo atwemaponua mansim asantemantem asenom na yenya enkra bi enya nkrapa na ne nyina mu no wochira bema bi eyade ye twetwa ne seba ne sen de wo kwa aten de wo ba aten de ogira ho aten ne aten trodonte no ye kwa uma no so ne enua bema kofi centre ne atwetwe enkomode afa ensem kofi utime nkai mo ache
ya na ohene ye
na wapom te se bema
nyame adom bibia iboko ewo hanom wachirikumfo na honom enyo ewo honom
boye nkyeremu ade na asi wo ho
ohene ye be kire tifo na pe omutie Sompa
FM
na ne tin na ne se wachirikum ye kura ewo atwoma mponwa mansin mu na ohonom ye baabi a galamsey bi epiemu ewo ho na de tin se krono munipa no ewo mu na empese galamsey no be koso okurum hono na beye enakaka ne bosumni ena galamsey na hya ase a omode eye chanfan fidie bi etesi awe bi mu a omoye adwuma na beye na nanie ena omode chundra kase bi besi hono ma metro manfo bi etisi fimu a omoye se omopa branch ye na bibi atumi na sa branch ye kana semi bido na san na area na so omoka no eye ya wusu ansa na semni na ne fe na se wudu krom hono men so omoka ne fe galamsey ne ba krom hono no krom no ni panoma cheminu ebi pese galamsey ne koso na adwuma no amanfo enye biye ebi sum pese omese awra no na obenya asase omeye su adwuma na ba ne sa no empanifo no bi a omo krom hono no e support se adwuma ne koso ena nankyere musu bi e support na sa nipa ya yedi na wi wakan kofo a wopese adwuma ne bekoso na se adwuma ne bekoso so a omo fa krom fom nantie emfanye na nura ye tenisa akasakasa ba owura owusu anse ya efe na area no na omo kyerese oyobi a krom hon mu de ahoɔden de wafa no kwa ani tinipa akasakasa na ba ye no nipa a mo pɛ no na asen kofo me galamsey ni bi no ebe takre no a omo de ntokwe hye so a ekowi ase no omo de sekan ejinjama branch ya omo twa ne nsa nipa no e de sekan bia ne boso e de siniku achi a enura anwume na ekodu ho no ne omo de na to abobo ya mu a omo de kɔ enyina aresabia
Sompa FM
na enura yeduru ye no na awase ebusabusemu ensemu yi ye ekosi mpanifo a omo wo atwamponua enim ne ekoso e wo galamsey ensemi ho na enura yebusemu no na mpanifo bi ekyem se onabu dinsi ya oye panikase enim ne ekosi na mmom ye de sa na omo kan yafne ye nhwimu hwe ne ekosi efise PM a onso ye presiding member e wa atwamponua oho e do no sufure ensemu a ekoso mudi kan e betutu atuo okrom hono ma mlitu ndaba ye no omo chi enkofokra o metutu sa etu no omo so do mutu mu no enu wana wakra na omo se order from above ba say omo yi omo MPF prison honom omo yi omo ene ye kese omo a omo de se kan twitwa ni pa ya ene anope yen kese wawu so da so tinkwam no omo da so na mo chi krom honom a omo nchi omo na kromofo nso omo kan say ene ya omo honom yi omo ntimi na efise eno na adwemo kra mo kasa no nipa ni bi omo ye tutuafo no bi aba betwa hye krom honom a ememe ntimi mpie ni na se galamsey no person me ne dendenden a omo de card nam awu ani mu a omo ye adwuma omo 24/7 a omo person me intentum edi free honom ento omo sre de di nkan this year owa atwema mponua PM a owa atwema mponua a ono so self krom honom ene eye enkawe pani na nan ono so asase ne dia se omo se sa asemu ekosi so omo nim hu bibidi a omo ma sa adwuma ne enyan na krom ofo so enya somdwie enfantena honom fi se efri enna kakani no omo timi na se ni petro mo ahia omo person beka sa na ma ye hwe kra ho na se amanfo na mo so na matro manfo na krom honom a omutimi ena awo chikrom honom ento ohene ire so ba atuma pomnya kwadi wo chikrom dia ene emema da ne ma emema ntimi jabonten ni na ne se omode memma akantara agwa be krom honom a emema ntimi mpie na mu na hye dem se omo pese galamsey ne ekoso ntentem so na mutu eye agudi ewofom honom na mu free honom ko na so ye obi na so ye bema na wo pie so eti omo dia ene se na abanti mi kan enrei ne to no a ye twa ne sekan no Sabi and a 2 nipa a honum, and it's no over to come my way, and in your echo so a honum.
Coffee.
Oh, none or Henry.
Coffee, what down, Mammy Miss always say, plus for Emma Cromo, and a bamboo Jumaconi be ama Sabri.
A free and assembly is see, about me, Sabri, but must suppose you be a NC honum. Na nipa omudi science seminal. Komu say omote say mo suppose before bechiwo na omo free mo de eye nkraba say open case bi say ono aba be fa sankofo no mudi ewu no eduma ko police station enti omunya wo mu ema wo mu a omo de omeba police station honom.
Kofi Mayana se Nyankopon ya adumafo ni de eche de be fra to bia na waso wamayaso atewai.
Ohene de be ne sa ne de be say de ma eti fomute Sompa ati na ekoso wachiri kroma kman pomya mensini mu.
Yenua be ma ye ne dijuma e wo Sompa 93.2 Kumasi asenum Kofi sentrene e na wode amani boy efri ochiri krom ba ko ye no atwema ponua Mercy mu asante matema senum e de ebre ye no afa ye boyra ensem foforo mu mapanyi dada John Dramani Mahama enso ene etu ahene ne asi ahenefo ya won mu amanyoko no nyina e de ahia e wo framantem kropom anase wo mu ba ko ye friend hohoi mu enam so amoden sempia to wonim ya watches MPP amemwe na dada kwakufo do ba ye ene esika besia bo enoa na chase wo bo ye ne wo hwa besia ya eda yetiri so a base 600 billion and a Ghana for a dietary so ya dankwa mabiano ye bepre etua enu ti what they see ani so aka kire eto ahene ne asi ahene for and NDC for nyina se brand nie Ghana for nyina ni kire wonom eti wonya kro ye wonya ensi ye na wo mo etimi emokrim enya adwumade se be ya edwa no wonom betimi agefri MPP amemo boni mu emfimpi mienu ene aduonu nan abato ni mu.
Who caused the problem? Who lighted the fire in the house? It's the same person you're asking to bring water and come and quench the fire. But God works in mysterious ways. This didn't happen. Perhaps people won't appreciate the work that the NDC did. Yes, we borrowed money. When we left office, we owed 120 billion cedis. But we built a new port for Ghana, a new port. You should go and see it. State of the art. We built a new airport. We built an airport in Ho. We built the University of Health and Allied. Today's Ghana's debt is almost 600 billion cedis. And the point is, what did they do with all that money? If NDC had borrowed what they borrowed, almost 400 and something billion cedis, today Ghana will be like Dubai, that we have used that money wisely to modernize our country. But unfortunately, there's nothing like that. So, Ghanaians are looking up to us, NDC. And it's a responsibility we must take seriously. So win the election, the first thing we need is unity. And we must take our seats, Hohoi seats, back from Atiglingi. As I feel shy when I'm told that Hohoi is an MPP constituency. I feel ashamed. It's an abomination that we must cure as soon as possible. And may it never happen.
For John Dramani Mahama Mampenyi dada ene ekwotie no na ye boy remo ewodom dodo no ba no dani abede eche ewura afenyo market so no so nka chibiem na no ene ode atoja se vaccines ahodo bi a eho akọ atwe wo mem ha se no no wo se aban no se ni nyina dan mawom se eye ebre bi a etwem no ba bia ne yakura ye no ni ade ya ejato mo a hye be no ni nyina ka ho bi ena sa ne ma we siasi de na so na ban no ema no homode se be ya de atochime nyina no wo betimi asiesie ni biem.
The Honorable Minister of Health has been scheduled to attend upon the House and advise members on steps taken to address the shortage of childhood vaccines in the country on Tuesday, the 7th of March. Of course, Mr. Speaker, there is a public holiday on Monday, the 6th of March, and that will be observed as a statutory holiday across the country. Of course, we will sit on Monday, but the business committee urges members to spend time with their constituents and let them appreciate the import of that day.
Ebusiafo yɛwura afɛnyɔm Kings Alexander wɔno ɛyɛ dɔm dodoɔ no ba no dani abɛdi akyire ɛna wɔde nsɛmi ɛtu edwasa no afɛ yɛbɔ ransɛ foforɔ mu yɛwura owusu brobɛ no ɛna yɛ ɔpanyin ya wɔtoto nneɛma ɛwɔ asante matam asɛnum de ama computer school placement system no wɔde ato dwase bɛyɛ yɛwɔ mu deɛ wɔnka ɛfɛ nto ne ho a sɛ yɛfa no wɔ ha mu abupan a ɛyɛ abupan bɛsɛ aduoso 70% ɛna wɔn mu asabre BC nsɔhwɛ wɔtwa ya wɔpɛ suku akɔnoma timi aboa ama wɔnom ɛwura suku mu wasa ɛde nsɛm kakra ɛto aso
Ɛbaayɛ no wɔtumi piesi nkwalaa no almost 70%. Ɛna mu 30% deɛ yɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo nkɔyɛ self-placement. Asante mo mpɛ ba na yɛwɔ KPI. Nti awofoɔ no baa hɔ, nkwalaa no bi baa hɔ. Ama seesei yɛpia nkwalaa no dodoɔ naa gu. Ama seesei no deɛ mefa no sɛ na wobɔ mase ɛwɔ hɔ a onipa na egu hɔ beebi a wɔn pɛsi no sese so ate koraa
Sompa 93.1
na pɛpɛ bi mɛkɔ no betumi ɛbu nkonta yi ɛdi akyerɛ
Sompa FM
nipa na abɔ bɛnten no yɛpia dodoɔ na mmaa de agu schools no mu a nkwadaa no dodoɔ na nyɛ school sese deɛ yɛwɔ no yɛ wɔn a wɔnyɛ school a ɔmpɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a ne yɛde ne kɔ schools ni bi ne tiri mu bɔ schools ni bi bi na ɔno no deɛ na ɔno no bi sɛ nkonya pɛɛpɛ nkɔpɛ nkonya poku ayɛ nkɔpɛ nkonya pɛntɛm nkɔpɛ
Sompa 93.1
ɔmo bi ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔmo ɛhyɛ pipɛ but in the nutshell, what I can say is that most of the students are now in school. And a few Katrabi and so perfect changes. The people also know when you're day or per body. So when you're day, now per body, now correct desire. But when you're say a better body, I'm our co. A crane baby, the Chinese and Kalana, better others, the Chinese.
Sompa 93.1
yes.org. Almost having Baden, and now almost have the you can be self-placement. In Jacolana, you may choose school any place. And also that place you can say the after school. So on Panto, by a CIA, KTI, and one channel of how you receiving the sector. It's really the
Ebusiafo panyin ya yekotie ne eye owusu brobe wono ene coordinator edeba computer school placement system no asante matam ase no de no ena wode ensem wese nyina no etu dwa afe ne yenka chao se 5G drink ne wadwa so na wo ya aponto abedin to anasa wade ede bedwumedie ena wudi a wohia no no de papa ya ahwodin wom ede adi meka chao se 5G no esa ye energy drink wonom no na ema den na emma wapomoden wo sore agyina wo naso apreme wontimi mu efi nyina eyiyi ama moja de afusani wom adwuma bi a wontimi nya no 5G drink watoba ha krampo no bepejaw ama wagyina wo naso na saa na ye ka cha se ginseng ewo mu grapefruit ewo green tea grapes na guarana ne nyina no etimi boa guarana eti wanum ama otimi atibie di eno ntine mesro yentwa bi ni di no mesro apio emwa eno ntine guarana no ewo 5G ni munti ya no 5G wanum betse am watimi atibie di na mizo free drink no so eka ho ya wo mango de na ye wo eye fruit ahodo ni nyina so ayaka bom ne de wonya bi ema wo ma no wabusuafo ebetimi aboa na aperitivo beta no so ewo ho eboa amanyalwa bi tse kidney ni diabetes wa wutu ase wo honam duem no eboa ma wutu ase ententem ni nyina ne dosopo ewo Sompa FM asenom na betimi afrɛ mai 0246 270-221 0246-270-221 opesi ade bibra wa baby a wo bia no ye de ebebra fe yen hwa no madwen check akra mo de aba no yen fa entudwa na yen sorry FM free apple eso ye kɔ na Ernesto Dakom and I watch us oh my good morning to you too na napon enso ehwe yen ewo ho ye da se papa na na napon da chen na nakwadwopon yo bampra se and I wash it free. Yeah, good morning and no pay. Why? Felix upon also say it's time. Okay, ne kasi Bob Brenda Sona Felix. As well, my good morning or hinere bampana so yo kwadwo majo. So why? kaswa ena we say so ede efriba keke wono so ekyere se ne condolence wade ma Christian achu na busuafo no yo abusuafo yemfa Hilda de no misrawo yemfa siase no Ghana fapem dwumadie no bana efungu Edward de abaye da se papa ma mo di bi baye ni nyina yeda mo ase brana so yes sorry eso amanana ya bo ama Libya boga watimi de Ghana fapem dwumadie no ede aba besomo wo Sompa 3.1 yemfa se da PSA emasemfo panyi ye Rasante ye bo Benedict newsroom ni nyina krio wo ho nyina no yeda wonom aso mo boa ye o mafam de sanso ena Sompa 98.9 ekwenya akwa bro no ma wona na pamfo no pay yeda mo nyina mo se ema mo ache nim sa mo ho eye na pike wono ene chinchi fidie ne fruma ede ma me ema ima enso ehwe MC ho Facebook na YouTube no wode ye etwa edifal Dr. Sly enso eboye chi domidi de wo hene yire maame ekua yeboa esiama me sorry so amanana ya boa ma time nso ye no aba on time na remu 1 minute me ko ena wo dodo na ena ede emamo
Sompa 93.1.